Namaskaram. Today, in the Mahishasura Mardhini series, let us learn verse 19. As usual, I will recite first and then explain. Then we will learn the shloka. The lyrics is given in the description box. Let me begin. Kanakala Satkala Sindhu Jalairanushинచతి te gunarangapuvam Bhajati sakim nashachi kuchakumbha Tati parirambha sukhanubhavam Tava charanam sharanam karavani natamarvani nivasi shivam Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. Looking into the meaning. Kanakala Satkala Sindhu Jalairanushинచతి. So it's split into many actually words. We can split it. First, Kanaka. Kanaka is gold. Lasa is shining. Then color, it can be a pot also, kalasha, something like that, or it can be soft also, soft and melodious. Sindhu is stream. Jalai, so jala means water. Then anushinchati, so pouring. So the whole word says that if you take the water and pour it, and the quality of the water is it's shining like gold and flowing softly. It means that if you take water from the stream or the river, that's the flowing water, especially early in the morning, the sun shines and it looks more shiny. So, and you pour it. Where do you pour it? Te guna ranga bhuvam. So, ranga bhuvam is the place where we assemble. That means here it is temple or the puja ghar. Te guna. So, that attributes. The whole line says, when you do a abhishekam to the Devi. That means what? You take pure water and then pour it on her in the puja room. Then, is it not that her attributes? Then what happens to her attributes? In the next line it is. Bhajati sakimna shachi kucha kumbha tati parirambha sukhanubhavam. So here the words are very big. So the first line said that taking the pure water, if they pour in and do abhishekam, those her qualities actually are inculcated in us. So we feel those qualities, we get the vibrations of her qualities. So in turn, the graces or her grace is upon us. Then in second one it say, bhajati, feel, sa, he, kimna. That means who prays, okay? Who does the abhishekam or who pours that water. Bhajati sakim nashit. So, does he not feel, then what does he not feel? Shachi kucha kumbha. So, shachi is the warmth, okay? Or the grace. Kucha kumbha. Kucha is breast. Kumbha is pot. Pot like breast. Then tati is the slope. Parirambha sukhanubhavam. So this means that parirambha is nothing but embracing. Sukhanubhavam, feel that happiness and warmth. So the one who does that, does he not feel the happiness which we get when we embrace Devi? Here, the bosoms or the breasts are used for as a symbol of nourishment, love, and care. So the whole 2 lines say that, O Devi, when we do your Abhishekam, we get the qualities, your attributes are inculcated within us. At the same time, we feel the grace of yours, we feel the love of yours. Then, Tava Charanam, Tava, yours, Charanam, feet, Sharanam, refuge or protection, Kara, Kara is doing. If I take refuge in you. Vani, Vani is, here Devi is addressed as Vani, that means Mahasaraswati. Nata Maravani. So, Nata is again grace. Amar, eternal. Sorry, Nata is bow down. Bow down. Then Amar is eternal. Vani is again Mahasaraswati. Nivasi Shivam. In Nivasa is abode. Shivam is auspiciousness. So what the whole line says? So I take refuge in you, O Mother, in whose abode is the auspiciousness, O Saraswati. So they are saying everything nice happens when I take refuge in you. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardhini Ramya Kapardhini Shailasute. So it says, O Mother, victory to you, Mahishasura Mardhini. You are so charming with beautiful locks of hairs, and you are the daughter of the mountain. So what is the gist? The gist is, when we do Devi Aradhana, or when we do Devi Puja, or when we worship her, all her attributes are given, showered to us. And we feel protected, we feel the happiness, we feel the care and love of the mother. And when we take her refugeness, always all happy things happen to us. And that is where I take refuge in you, Devi. Victory to you, Mother. Victory. You are the Mahishasura Mardhini. You are beautiful with the shining locks of hair. And you are the daughter of the mountain. So now let's learn it. Kanakala Satkala, Kanakala Satkala, Kanakala Satkala, Sindhu Jalairanu, Sindhu Jalairanu, Sindhu Jalairanu, Shinchati Te Guna, Shinchati Te Guna, Shinchati Te Guna, Rangabhuvam, Rangabhuvam, Rangabhuvam. Bhajati Sakimna, Bhajati Sakimna, Bhajati Sakimna, Shachi Kucha Kumbha, Shachi Kucha Kumbha, Tati Parirambha, Tati Parirambha, Tati Parirambha, Sukhanubhavam, Sukhanubhavam, Sukhanubhavam. Tava Charanam Sharanam, Tava Charanam Sharanam, Tava Charanam Sharanam, Karavani Natamaravani, Karavani Natamaravani, Nivasi Shivam, Nivasi Shivam, Nivasi Shivam. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardhini Ramya Kapardhini Shailasute. We'll just repeat the whole verse 3 times. Kanakala Sat कलसत्कलसिन्धुजलैरनुषिञ्चति ते गुणरङ्गभुवं भजति स किं न शचीकुचकुम्भतटीपरिरम्भ सुखानुभवम् तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि न तामरवाणि निवासि शिवं जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Once again. कनकलसत्कलसिन्धुजलैरनुषिञ्चति ते गुणरङ्गभुवं भजति स किं न शचीकुचकुम्भतटीपरिरम्भ सुखानुभवम् तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि न तामरवाणि निवासि शिवं जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Once again. कनकलसत्कलसिन्धुजलैरनुषिञ्चति ते गुणरङ्गभुवं भजति स किं न शचीकुचकुम्भतटीपरिरम्भ सुखानुभवम् तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि न तामरवाणि निवासि शिवं जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Hope you enjoyed learning it. Thank you.